Those going to provinces can also expect the assistance of district offices of the DPWH. Composite teams have been created for this purpose. More from Noel Perfecto.
DPWH Secretary Roelio Singson orders all district offices nationwide to form composite teams that will assist motorists who will go home for the observance of All Saints' Day on November 1. Each composite team is composed of 7 or 8 officials of the department who will make sure that the journey of the people will be very comfortable.
Ang team leader rin usually is a civil engineer o isang middle ranking official ng isang district or isang region, and then this will be composed of may mga foreman, then may mga laborers tayo, yung mga roadside maintenance, and then mayroon tayong mga drivers, mechanics, and then light and heavy equipment operators. Decomposes the lakbay lalay centers. Kasi meron din tayong mga light and heavy equipments na naka-standby sa mga areas. Just in case mayroong mga emergencies, they can react immediately.
In Manila, Mayor Alfredo Lim assured the public that the 4 large cemeteries in the city are orderly and that no untoward incident will take place on Thursday. Mayor Lim Chief Alex Gutierrez to deploy 2,000 police officers in the big cemeteries in the city to maintain peace and order in the area.
700 ang pinadala dyan ng Manila Police. O dadagdagan pa ng NCRPO. O Traffic Bureau, si Colonel Nava, inaayos naman ng traffic, kung alin ang one way, kung alin saan sila magpapark. O Manila Health Department, nagpadala ng mga doktor, nurses, may 4 na ambulansya para kung may mahihilo o ano man naman nangyari, pwedeng ma-aksyonan.
The Tex Fire Group of fire volunteers will also extend assistance to those who need their help. According to the president of Tex Fire Volunteer Group, Jerry Chua, the 500-member force is ready to help people in times of need.
Lahat mga Tex Fire volunteer ngayon, naka-red alert kami, no? Lalo-lalo na yung iba wala sa bahay, baka may naiwan sa bahay, no? At mga ambulansya natin at mga fire trucks natin naka-ready ngayon. Yung mga ambulansya natin nasa sementeryo, no? Yung mga fire truck naman naka-ready ngayon sa mga stations namin.
Meanwhile, the DPWH Flood Control continued to declare of open canals and waterways to prevent flooding in low-lying areas in Manila. Regarding the road obstructions leading to cemeteries, Colonel Reynaldo Navas said that several 40-footer container vans will no longer cause traffic jams. Manila Police and the MMDA will work together in towing stalled vehicles.
Lahat po ng nakasagabal na kali ngayon, amin pong aatakin lahat. Lahat ng truck, lahat ng mga kahit na po hindi truck, kahit na po mga vendor sila, mga kotse sila, kahit na zero sila, aatakin po natin yan lahat.
Mayor Lim reminded the city's residents to take the necessary precautions during the observance of All Saints' Day.
Yung nakikiusap, pumunta tayo sa sementeryo para dumalaw sa mga mahal natin sa buhay na pumanaw na. Sana wag na magdadala ng mga alak doon o maglalasingan o magdadala ng mga radyo, stereo, lalakasan ng volume. Yung iba nagdadasal para doon sa kaluluwa ng mga namatay.
For the People's Television, Noel Perfecto.